Welcome to the World Future Energy Summit here in Abu Dhabi, where over the course of 4 days, more than 600 companies are going to be putting on display a variety of products, all dealing with the environment, everything from solar to waste management. Now, we're expecting over 20,000 visitors here. Now, one of the more popular items at this year's show is electric cars, and many people may have the idea that electric cars are big and bulky and ugly. Well, no longer. Have a look here. The newest in electric cars, a sports car. And sir, I wanted to start by asking you first, why is this particular car on display?
Actually, we have this car over here because Abu Dhabi Water Electricity Authority has a social responsibility towards the community of Abu Dhabi and to introduce future technology to the people.
And tell me about the specifications of the car itself.
Actually, this car is 100% electrical. It goes from 0 to 60 miles in less than 4 seconds, and it takes 3 hours to get it fully charged, and it could go up to 240 miles.
Now, there are certain things here that are obvious, like, of course, wind turbines providing power, but certain things that we're seeing technological advances by using clean energy. We're going to talk with Kenya from Mitsubishi Technologies, who's going to introduce us here to this robot, Wakimoro. Tell me about the robot.
Well, this is we developed this robot for the receptionists in the hospitals or the enterprises and so on. So it can bring the people to the a point that they'd like to go. So I'd like to introduce you. So please give some salutation to the robot.
I can speak to the robot.
Just please, no problem.
Should I say hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello.
How do you do? I am Wakamaru.
So there you have it, technological advances, as Wakamaru continues to speak, technological advances taking things to another level, and this robot can work with elderly people as well, you were saying?
Yeah, we would like to, yes, how can I say, promote our technology to care the old people and so on at home. So this kind of technology will, how can I say, it can help the people at home, especially elderly people.
So there you have it. We're not just talking, of course, about the environment. We're talking about technological advances and business as well. Cal Perry, CNN, Abu Dhabi.
Until next time, have a good day.